To begin with the first technical session, I would like to invite our research scholar Anjali Sharma to share her screen. Share in full screen, or you can just share the image. So, dear participants, we will be soon beginning with the first technical session. Stay connected with us. Yes, your screen is visible.
Okay, sir.
You can start, yes.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, you are clearly audible. Please start.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Oh.
Good evening, everyone, and a warm welcome to the Faculty Development Program on exploring AI using IBM Watson and Google Colab. We are thrilled to have you all join us for this insightful journey into the world of artificial intelligence, where we will explore cutting-edge technologies and hands-on tools to enhance our understanding and teaching of AI. To begin today's session, Introduction to AI and IBM Watson, we have privilege of having Dr. Mayank Aggarwal, sir, a distinguished academician and expert in AI, cloud computing, and blockchain, currently serving as a professor and head of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering at Gurukula Kangri University, Haridwar. Dr. Aggarwal is an IBM Generative AI Watson X Faculty Awardee in year 2024 and hold an IBM Artificial Intelligence Practitioner badge. With over 20 years of experience in academia, he has conducted more than 150 workshops and training programs on cloud computing and blockchain, many in collaboration with IBM. His contribution to research include over 50 publications and 8 patents in emerging technologies. Beyond his technical expertise, Dr. Aggarwal is a passionate educator, a recipient of the Best Teacher of Computer Science and Engineering Award, and has played a pivotal role in promoting technology education through various initiatives, including his work with Technology Sangam and Uttarakhand Government Initiative. We are honored to have him with us today to kickstart this exciting FDP. Without further ado, let us welcome Dr. Mayank Aggarwal, sir, to take us through the fundamentals of AI and IBM Watson.
Thank you, Anjali,
Thank you, sir.
for the introduction. And I can see in the chat not audible messages, but we are trying our best. I hope the issue is resolved and we all are connected from different places. I'm currently at Amritsar, Anjali is at Meerut, and Suesh sir is at Haridwar, and Pan sir was from Dehradun. But I was able to clearly listen to all the speakers. So I would again request to please check the sounds at your side also. Might be possible that sometime the sound is breaking or something, but we are having the recordings also and we'll be sharing the presentations also with you all. Being your coordinator for this FDP, it is our duty that you get all the things on time. This is not our first experience. We have been doing this since long, and it is a passion personally for me to deliver workshops and to interact with intellectuals like you. You are definitely an intellectual because you have joined this FDP by your own wish. You have not been compelled by someone. So this is my passion, to interact with intellectual people like you. Now, to take this journey ahead, The schedule have already been shared with you. Some unforeseen are there because we have to shift the schedule. Some speakers means rotate the schedule, one or two sessions have been interchanged, but it will hardly affect anything. The main focus will be on AI using Watson and Google Colab. We'll be also talking on other tools like blockchain and Power BI. Now, how this journey of artificial intelligence started, what is basics of artificial intelligence? I just require your responses in the chat before we proceed, because as per my knowledge, we are all faculty members from or research scholars from different colleges belonging to computer science. So basics of AI, I hope all of us know. Still, it depends upon you that from where to start, because speakers would be coming and sharing their knowledge on different domain. I, as a coordinator, have two roles today. One is to give you access of IBM Watson and IBM Cloud. Second is to ask you that shall we begin from the basics of AI, or shall we begin directly to give you access of IBM Cloud and IBM Watson, on which you will be trained by trainers in the coming session. More thing to tell you that we have got recorded videos for the thing to you, that for this Watson and all, I'll be sharing the video links in the WhatsApp group later on. But to begin with, a small query in the chat I have asked that shall we begin from Watson or IBM Cloud or from the basics of AI? Okay. Okay. So it is preferable to begin from basics of AI. So let's have some basics of AI. So let me share a screen with you. Just give me a moment. Just one moment. Yeah. A brief on basics of AI. Yes, definitely. We'll be putting a brief on basics of AI. Then we'll be shifting to Watson. Screen shared, visible?
Yes, sir. Visible.
Yeah, thank you. Now, what is artificial intelligence, friends? Artificial intelligence, if we just look in this word, how ironical the word itself sounds as intelligence, which has become artificial. Means how ironical means we are living in a world where we are saying that even the intelligence has become artificial, but this is the fact. And friends, we are using it in our daily life. Alexa, play this song for me. Bixby, do this thing for me. Speech recognition system, product recommendation system, all these things comes under artificial intelligence. Our chief guest for the day was speaking about this DeepSeek from China, which is going to replace this Chat GPT and all, if as per its mission. It reminded me of the days of 1970s, means I was not even born. 1997, I think it was the first time it happened. 1997, I was born. So 1997, when Deep Blue system, Deep Blue system of IBM came. and it defeated Gary Kasparov in the chess. It was the turning point of artificial intelligence. At that time, it was a hue and cry in the market that artificial machine has become intelligent. It has defeated Gary Kasparov in chess. So IBM from that day is working, and today we are having Watson X. Watson is something which has become old. Now today we talk of Watson X. So artificial intelligence is invisible and we use it in our daily life. But what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence and prediction. These are the two words which goes hands in hand. What is prediction? It is AI. Machine doing some prediction, whether it is weather prediction, whether it is share prediction, whether it is any prediction, it is a cancer prediction, it is any disease prediction. So we are doing it with the help of machines today. And how machine is doing it? The word is artificial intelligence. Now, how artificial intelligence is able to do this thing? Now, from the very childhood, how do we train our people? How do we train our kids? We say that mimic what your parents are doing. When they go to school, they start learning ABC, A for apple, B for ball, something like this. And their mind keep on taking the images. They might keep on recalling the things when they see an apple. Okay, I learned this thing A for apple, and the teacher has shown me an apple. And when he sees the apple again, he can recognize that this is an apple. In the same way, the machine is doing. Who is able to control this machine? We human beings. We are training the machine with the help of certain algorithms, which our speakers would be telling in future sessions. We are training the machines with certain algorithms that this is an apple. And when the machine again sees the apple, the machine predict, yes, it is an apple. And we say that now the machine is mimicking like a human being, and we call it an artificial intelligent machine. I hope I'm able to explain in simple words that how artificial intelligence works and how we are able to do it. So we are doing it by giving algorithms, giving certain data to the machine. So if any doubts, if I'm able to clear, then just write it down in the chat that shall we proceed or not. It is an interactive session. I would like to interact with you all for every moment of time spent together. Yeah, output from the participants we require. Shall we proceed? Yes or no? Is it clear? All good. Thank you, Dr. Jashri. Yeah, thank you, Jiten sir. Okay, so now there are two words which come to our mind: AI and augmented intelligence. So what is the difference between these two things? Augmented intelligence help in doing tasks which is not practical for humans to do. Artificial intelligence does those tasks which human being can do. It only makes the task easier. Whereas augmented intelligence those type of it's not practical for human being to do. How does, for example, a human being cannot read 1,000 pages in a second, but a machine can. So this is what augmented intelligence is. Now, these are the three terms which always confuse us when we talk of artificial intelligence. What are these three terms? Let me show that slide. Where we have missed that slide with us. Okay. Yes. The three terms are artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. So these are the three terms which keep on coming and we worry. What are these three terms? Now, friends, artificial intelligence is a bigger umbrella. Think of it as a bigger umbrella. Second is machine learning, which is a subpart of artificial intelligence, which solves certain more complex tasks. Third is deep learning, which is a subset of machine learning, which again solve certain more complex tasks. Technically speaking, if we say artificial intelligence is used for prediction, it works with a simple algorithm. For example, we are all from computer science. It works with an algorithm taking certain input. If this will happen, what will be the answer? If this will happen, what will be the output? It works on simple algorithms and give us the output. Machine learning over here, we train the machine giving certain data. For example, I said that I'm giving the pictures of apple, and I'm telling that this is an apple, this is an apple, this is an apple, and then I give a new picture, and the machine tells, yes, this is an apple, or this is not an apple. So we are training the machine with certain data. The algorithms become more complex, the results become more accurate, the machine become more complex. It is a subset of artificial intelligence. Then the third word which comes into our mind is deep learning. Deep learning is something like a human brain where there are large number of algorithms in a layer, more than layers we call it, and we call it as a neural network. Layers of algorithms structured in such a way that output of one goes to as an input of other, and that input is again processed and we get another output. So deep learning is another scenario of artificial intelligence. Now we proceed to predictions. Now the predictions which we see, there are different type of predictions which machine does. Now to deal with certain predictions, if we say what is happening in it. Yes. So the prediction, if we say, for example, if you must have seen chatbots. So these are different fields of AI, friends. Chatbots. So chatbot, you are typing something, the chatbot is answering. This is also an example of artificial intelligence. Over here, which type of artificial intelligence we are using? We are using natural language processing, NLP. I'm sharing certain fields with you, which the speakers would be talking about. Second, vision recognition. For example, the traffic signals changing itself depending upon the crowd. So vision recognition. Machines are becoming intelligent. Fraud detection. The bank customers, if certain fraud have been done, the computer will itself stop the transactions. The machine becomes intelligent. So these are different type of predictions which machine can do. I have shared two, three examples over here. Now, to deal with all these things, we require data. Data is something where we are putting a lot of data through social media, through internet. We are bombarding the data to the system. Now, this data is divided technically into three parts. One is known as structured data. Now, this is something technical we are going to start now. Structured data is the data for which we know that for this input, this will be the output with a labeled data. We are having a particular output for a particular input. It is a quantitative data. For example, an Excel sheet of salary of different employees, age, dollars, or anything. It is a structured data. To deal with structured data is easier, but to deal with unstructured data, that is the image, your social media post, your text, your lyrics, your medical records, it is difficult. For unstructured data, we come into the deep learning part, we come into the machine learning part, and complex algorithms. Similarly, we have a semi-structured data, which is a part of both the structured and unstructured data. So structured data is very easy to analyze. It talks about the facts. It has got predefined format. It is highly organized. Airline reservations, inventory sales are the examples of the structured data. But the unstructured data lacks any predefined format. It requires a lot of storage space. The social media post, when we talk about that, we are going to predict the behavior from the social media post, the emails, the satellite images, the sensors data. Now the scenario is this, that we are surrounded with sensors data and everywhere. So this is analyzing this unstructured data is becoming difficult. But machine learning is the solution for this unstructured data. Now, friends, I'm stopping the sharing of the screen and talking to you that yes, we'll be sharing the PPT definitely. Voice is not clear. I don't know. Voice is breaking. Okay. Might be some internet issue. I am not at my hometown today. Very sorry for it if voice is breaking. And but we'll the recordings also. And my sessions are separately recorded. I'll be share you the YouTube link for the sessions for it. Now I have stopped the sharing part. I'll stop the video also if internet is an issue. So I hope it will prevent certain bandwidth with it. With the internet issue will be more solved with it. I have stopped the camera also. Hope it works fine now. Now, having said all this to you all, what was the main concept was that how we can use artificial intelligence. But being a faculty, I know that we cannot learn within 7 days. So what we thought specifically for this FDP was that to share with you the entire content, entire course of FDP to you, not only of this FDP, but of various resources we are opening to you. So friends, it is the time for you to do hands-on, to land it into the world of IBM from now today, because this is the first session and very important that how you will be using these two things. Now in the coming 45 minutes I'll be sharing two things with you. One is IBM Watson and second is IBM Skills Build, from where you will be learning. But before I proceed, I'll not be fulfilling my task, my duty, if I do not acknowledge a very senior, a very renowned professor who has joined with us, Professor Pankaj Madan sir. He was our, our dean, he was our former dean, and he has joined today as a participant. Sir, hats off to you, sir. And I apologize that I forgot before to remind you for this FDP, and it is your blessings, learnings from you, which have made us do this FDP. He was the one who initiated this Atal FDP in our engineering campus. Sir, I really welcome you in this FDP. Uh, I hope we are still connected, sir.
Yes, thank you, Dr. Mayank.
Sir, hai. ठीक sir, ठीक. Sir, you are a motivation for all of us, sir. Thank you. So let's proceed with it. So I'm sharing a link with you. I'll be sharing the screen also again. So all of you will open this link on your system and I'll be guiding you. This will be an hands-on session. I'll be sharing the complete screen with you. Now I've shared the link instead of the tab. I'll see if I can, what if the tab will work. Okay. I'm sharing the entire screen now. Reason being because we have to shift from one screen to another screen. So sharing the screen makes the thing simpler over here. So I've shared a link with you, and I hope the screen is visible. I've shared the entire screen. This skills build screen is visible. Any answers, Suresh sir? Are we connected?
Visible, sir, visible.
Visible? The skills
Yes,
build
sir.
screen. Okay. Now these are the steps you will be doing. Open this link shared on the chat on your system. Click on sign up. Over here, I request all of you to kindly use your institutional email ID. Your institutional email ID. Okay. I have already signed up, so I'll not be proceeding with it, but still sharing the screen. For steps you will share in the chat, respond with one if you have opened this screen. Respond with one in the chat window if you have opened this link. Okay, good to go. Now click on College Skills Program. Remember to sign up with your institutional email ID, not your personal email ID. It gives an option: sign up with Google, LinkedIn, sign up with IBM ID, or sign up with email. So we request you to sign up with IBM ID or sign up with email. It will create an IBM ID automatically when you will click on sign up with IBM ID, not with Google, because we are saying to sign up with your institutional email ID. So best is to create sign up with email ID and use your institutional email ID for it. Fill all these details. I'm not going to fill the details. Proceed with the sign up and sign up with institutional email ID. Now, this is something which is given by IBM free of cost. The slides which I shared with you was from the contents of this skill build course only. We'll be, I've already shared the screen, and this is the sign up page which will come. So this will come from this website. You can sign up with email and you have to put your institutional email ID. If you wish, you can use sign up with IBM ID also. It will also land up on the same page that you have to create your IBM ID, that create an IBM ID. You can do it from here also, that create an IBM ID. Already have an IBM ID, you don't have. So business email ID, account information, and this verify email. So you can do anything either from an IBM ID or with an email, but with your institutional mail ID, I request. Because if we'll not be doing with institutional email ID, we will be not able to do the Watson part. An email ID is this thing. Please guide which login? Educator login? Yes, sir. Educator login? Yes, ma'am. Educator login. But to proceed with, first thing was I told, again, I'm opening the skills build part. Sign up, college skills program. College skills program. Therefore, we require your institutional email ID. Sign up. I'm repeating, and sign up with IBM ID. unable to authorize profile and all these things, sir, I can't help. It has to be done from IBM side. Sometimes what happens that if the institution is not registered, then the profile is not authorized, the email is not authorized. So for it will take a day or two. You can send a request to register your institution for this. Instead of this, you can sign up with IBM ID, click on create an IBM ID, and it will verify email, put your business email and all, and next and verify email. It would be registered. Skip, you can do it, means if unable to do it by the end of the day, you can do it by just using any Gmail ID. So you will be having a skills build account at least. So proceed with it. When you are able to sign up with this IBM ID and all, multi-factor authentication and this all will become, then just type a 2 in the chat window. Great, great. So you have reached to the sign up page. A request has come to share the link on the uh, WhatsApp. So I share the link on the WhatsApp. Shared the link on the WhatsApp too. Okay, so we have got multiple twos from the participants. Good to go. Those who are not able to do, don't worry. I'll be sharing the YouTube link just after the session for the entire process and for the entire lab also, which you will be, which you can see for the Watson. Okay. Couple of minutes for other participants also. In the meantime, I share the screen again. I would again request, if some institution is not registered, it will just, if you just register and you will put the name of your institution over here, within a day, IBM approves generally the institution and then you can do it. So the only requirement is your institutional email ID. Only thing which we require is your institutional email ID. Guess what number of twos? So the account is created. So you have already created this account. You can log in into your skills build account. I'm logging into my account. Just wait, setting others also so that they can register. Okay. Now, once you have logged in into this skills account, What is this which we have shared with you? Why this skills build account was important was, I'm sharing the screen now. So let's please repeat procedure, create the link, then sign up. Which platform have to choose? Account creation audience. I'm unable to understand. Please repeat the procedure. You have just to sign up in the skills built account. We have, I'm again sharing it. We have to create a login into the skills builds account of IBM. The link shared. So many participants have already logged in. The entire process I'll be sharing through the YouTube link also. You can play the video and then good. So those of you who are able to log in, now you can just search for any course which you wish to search and enroll into that course. Now my screen is visible. I'm logging into my account. It's logs in. Key skills account. Yes. Now this is something which the platform looks like. Now these are the courses which we have done. Now if I launch this course, it will show the course contents and the entire details. Now this was a practitioner course, which is a paid course from IBM, but you will be getting the free course in your login. So we can shift to the free course also. Uh, AI ethics and all this introduction to large language models. There are various courses which IBM provides. So how to search the course? I'm telling this thing to you now. I was showing my login to you. Now, once you complete the course, you get a certificate online directly onto your Credly account. Now, after your login, what you can do is, this is the Skills Build website. Click on Educators. You can click on Learning Pathways. And on Learning Pathways, you can see AI, cloud, cybersecurity, data science, so many things. You have already logged in. Again, open Skills Build on a separate tab. Okay, register your academic institution that you have already registered, being a login over there. Getting started with enterprise grade AI, building trustworthy AI. There are so many courses which are available over here. If you shift to a cloud, you can see different courses, or you can go for learners if you do not want for college students, means educators. You can get for, click on digital credentials over here or overview over here, and you can see different courses which are available over here. So clicking on a skills build, just do certain clicks over here and you will get so many courses which are available over here. So I have, where did I click? I clicked on learners. I clicked on high school students, clicked on overview, and over there it shows me so many courses. Then you click on AI and click just on, there are so many courses for AI. Now see, artificial intelligence getting started, AI foundations, AI fundamentals, build your own chatbot, Watson, technologies, robots. For educators, it shows so many courses. IBM AI, teacher resources, AI curriculum map. There are different courses which are available for different users. If you have logged in from your institutional email ID, you will be getting ample number of courses. Practitioner courses are certain courses which are not directly paid, but which are given by IBM through tokens. So we cannot distribute it to you, but we had the privilege, so we did that practitioner course. So I request you now to join one of the AI course from this skills build platform AI fundamental course, so that during this FDP, for example, this AI fundamental course, a 10 hours course, it is approximately. It shows that it is 10-hour course. It is visible, I hope, to all of you, this 10-hour course. Now, this is an issue with this site that it will ask for your login again and again. Means like you have already logged in, you open into the another tab, you search for the course. Searching for the course itself a hurricane task. So I showed you that how you search. In my video, I have explained with all the points, all the steps that from where you can search. So again, we are giving time to you that you can for a course and log into the course. So put a 3 able to join course from IBM platform. So once you are able to log in into the course, you have joined a course, just put a 3. Good. Now see if you are able to see on my screen. I'm sharing the entire screen again. When I clicked on this and for a new course, it is showing this enroll in this learning path. I click on enroll. So I am being enrolled in the course, successfully enrolled in a course. So a small part, like we enroll for different courses, and we click on over here actions, and you can start learning the course. Introduction to AI, 1 hour 15 minutes. This is the first course. We click on this, okay, and we click on next, 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 and we go to actions, and we can get the course to us, and we can start learning the course. Go to activity, the course will start. And then we can begin with the course. So this is you who have to enroll and self-learn the entire course, whichever course you wish to do. IBM Skills Build is a platform which is providing you ample number of courses. So we land into this and we click on start course. Now this is how the course looks like. We checked it out and this is the entire course. We just AI fundamentals. This will be the certificate which we'll be getting after completing the entire course. So this is I have done in front of you. So just certain clicks, and we are able to do this thing. So there is no course link. There is a skills build link. You open the skills build platform again and try to enroll in the course of your choice. Or yes, enroll on this course. So this is how you can enroll to the skills build platform and learn from a skills build platform. So 2 minutes more for other participants to at least enroll. Okay, kindly show the steps again. So the steps are very simple. Just open. See, this IBM website does not allows me to do all these things again and again because of cookies and all, but I'll showing it again to you. Open this skillsbuild.org. I'm going very slowly, but I'm in a hurry also because the main thing is IBM Watson. Means we have to use it IBM Watson. Otherwise, the next speaker means Mani Madhukar and Shika Maheshwari is with us. They will be covering with that Watson part. I'll be telling with you that how you can log in into that Watson. And I'll be sharing my videos where I have shared that how you can do practicals on that Watson and how you can publish your paper on that Watson. We have already published 2 papers by using this IBM Watson, and both are in a Springer. So this IBM Watson tool is great for researcher. I'll be sharing my video with you, and the session of Mani and Shikha will be throwing more light on IBM Watson. But how to get an access of IBM Watson today? This is my goal, and it requires certain time. So I'm just giving a short recap that how to enroll in a skills build. So click on sign up, enroll for the IBM ID. After enrolling, open a skills build on a new tab or search from the courses from your login itself. Click on high school students, college students, adult learners, or educators from whichever pathway you want to take the course. For example, high school students, and you'll get so many courses over here down the line. Just click on the course which you want to do, artificial intelligence, click on start learning, and then next, a normal next gives us to the access of the course. This is how we enroll into the course. Definitely students of engineering can use it with personal email IDs and they can get certificates. It is not an issue. With personal email IDs, certain courses are available. With official email IDs, certain courses are available. But the next part which we'll be doing is specifically for institutional email ID. That cannot be done with personal email IDs because it requires institutional email IDs. Okay. So that was about skills built part. This is something which I have shared with you because knowledge is not to be something which has to be hidden. It has to be shared with all. So this is something which we learned because we have a collaboration with IBM. IBM people taught us, and this is freely available to all. So this is accessible to all. And by 15th of February, our book is also coming with Professor Pant, where we have shared in more details about IBM Cloud, IBM Watson, and Flask, Python web development, Red Hat OpenShift. So it is a book by Schroff Publishers, O'Reilly, and we'll be sharing the link once it is launched into this group. You can put that book, learn from that book also. Certain videos are there on the YouTube. I'll be sharing that link also, but it is the time to proceed to the next goal given to me for today, that is Watson. So how to get access of this Watson is again a complex task which is not explained anywhere except certain videos. One of my videos also explained that how to get access of IBM Watson. So the first step to get an access for IBM Watson is we are starting with it. Please see to it very carefully. Over here, I'll be not missing any step. Okay. Again, open this builds. Click on login. Choose college software downloads. Choose college software downloads. Once taken this college software downloads, put a 4 in the chat window. So the entire video with the exact steps and screenshots are there on my YouTube channel. I'll be sharing the link on the WhatsApp group. And don't worry, not only of this recording and not only of this small session, the entire ocean of artificial intelligence, of blockchain, the entire course is there on Swan portal. You can access from there also. Okay. Next, which one I select? Okay. So I've got only 1 4. I'm waiting for other 4s to come. Then
Sir, screen is not
what you
visible.
have to do. Okay. Let me share the screen again.
Only the
Entire
meeting screen
screen.
is visible.
मैं कर रहा हूँ स्विच से share.
Sure.
Visible now?
Yes.
Okay. So we have to open this skills build and choose an option on login on college software download. Once done with college software download, give a 4. I'll wait for a minute. Every minute counts now. So click on college software downloads and give a 4. Okay. So after clicking on college software downloads, click on login. Over here, only as you can see, academic institutional email ID will work. Put your academic institutional ID for which you have already created an IBM ID in the previous session, which I said to you. Now something went wrong. Why it has went wrong? We know. For you, it will not went wrong. Why it has went wrong for me is I was again and again using this IBM skills build and all this thing. So it checks all the cookies and all, and it stops me to do this thing again and again for security reasons. So for it, I have to remove all these cookies and all from this. Then I will be able to log in. But in the meantime, I would say that all of means you log in into the software download part, and if you're not able to log in, then just delete the cookies like I did. Okay. After deleting all these things, I hope it will work now, closing the extra things also. Okay. Now we open this skills build. Okay. Okay. I click on login, college software downloads, login. Submit. Something went wrong again. Is this thing happening with you also? For college software downloads? No, asking for register. Register below means that you have not registered currently. Okay, no means you are able to log in into the college software downloads. Okay, so let me open another browser for me. I hope it works. Keeping the fingers crossed. Login. Call is software downloads. Login. Yes, now it will do. Yes. Because it has accepted the cookies for this browser just now. I'm hoping it will work now because the problem is only with cookies and all, and I do not want to restart my system. Yes, logged in. Yes, done. Now, again, it is asking, this is an issue with, because of security, it keep on asking and doing this again and again, but nothing to worry for it. You just have to do the things repeatedly to get something. कोई भी चीज आसानी से नहीं मिलती दुनिया में, तो इसमें भी आसानी से नहीं मिलता ना. तो वेरीफाई कर रहा है, टू फैक्टर ऑथेंटिकेशन भी भेज सकता है मेल पे. Most probably it will send a two-factor authentication on the mail. Another IBM ID is being used with this application. Please clear our browser cache break enter. I mean, this. IBM ID used. I've already cleared so many things. Why it is showing this thing to me? Just wait. I'll do this thing. Very sorry for this inconvenience, but I hope it works now. I have done this thing several amount of times for the, and the only issue comes when you again and again it's for the cookies and all, it creates a problem. Just because of security reasons, because this call is software download means it is giving opportunity to download softwares of crores of rupees. Okay, just put a 5 if you are able to reach up to this college software downloads, successfully log in. Just put a 5. So if you are able to successfully log in, and if I am not able to log in, then I will request you, one of you, to share the screen and my task would be done. Just put a 5 if you are able to log in. Else I have to shut down my system, again open it and do it again and again, which I am not willing to do at this junction of time. Oja login. Verifying. Ask for a two-factor authentication and then we are done. You have successfully signed with IBM ID. Your IBM ID will be used for this. Okay, done. Just concentrate on the screen which is visible over here. I'm shifting to the chat windows to see the chat. Unable to find college software download. No. So some 5 we have got. Good. Some people are able to do. Those who are unable to find college software download. See, I cannot repeat the things. The reason being, it will not allow me to. This is the from there. Go to skillsbuild.org. Source which I'm going to share with you. Friends, 365 days, you will be getting a free access for crores of softwares rupees worth more than crores. So open this skillsbuild.org, click on college software downloads and click on login. I'll not click on login. And after clicking on login, put your IBM ID, the institutional email ID. It will verify the IBM ID by sending a two-factor authentication to your email, and it will allow you, and you will land up on this page. Just land up on this page and wait. Put a 5 on the chat once done. So no more 5s to come. Okay. So coming back. Now listen to these steps very carefully. The feature code which I'll be sharing with you today means you will be getting it. Save it somewhere, and this you will use when you will be trained on IBM Watson by Money. We will not be sharing IBM Watson today as per the requirement of the time, but on Money's session or from Shikha, I would request to share with you that how to use Watson, or I'll be sharing the videos also. But more important was this thing, that because we do not know these steps very carefully. So click on IBM Cloud. After reaching to IBM software downloads, click on IBM Cloud. Okay. After clicking on IBM Cloud, choose this IBM Cloud feature code. Choose this IBM Cloud feature code. After putting this feature code, after clicking on this IBM Cloud feature code, just click on request feature code. Now this feature code which has come, similarly a feature code will come for you or on screen. Copy the code and keep it safely with you. Keep it safely with you. Now this feature code is a key to enter into the world of software for free. Okay, this feature code is the key. So once you are able to get this feature code, type a 6. I will stop sharing for the moment. Okay, great. We are having, it is a good crowd. So quick, we are able to get this feature code. So congratulations on getting this feature code. Now where to use this feature code? I'm just sharing it with you over here. This site is visible, I hope. Go a little over here now. Why it is not opening? What is stopping it from opening? It requires a great internet speed, and I am not at my moment. Okay, done. shared the screen with you. And shared the message also. Open the link. Open this link. And once you open this link, click on sign up. Now what you are doing is you are signing on a IBM cloud. This IBM Watson you can use only by signing into an IBM cloud. And this IBM cloud comes by certain amount of money or by institutional email ID having a feature code. So you have an institutional email ID and now you have the feature code. So just sign up in this. Do not put your credit card details. Okay, I can't do this thing. It will not allow me to do this thing. You have to do it yourself because my account is already there. It will say it is already registered on an IBM Cloud account. So I cannot do this thing. And if I do something within some XYZ account, it will not allow me to do. It will send a mail to this account for proceeding further. So you have to do this thing. I'm just creating a password uh, for it, but this account will not work because this is something, but I'm just showing you that how you can do. It will send a mail. It has to send a verification mail. Now this verification mail I cannot do, so I cannot do. But once you have to do put next, and where it asks for you to put your credit card, over there you will be getting an option. That option will be apply feature code. Apply feature code. Yes, I'm giving the instructions from this website only, ibmcloud.com. You have to put this, your email ID. This is the site. I'm again opening it. ibmcloud.com or ibm.com/cloud. It moves to this site. Click on sign up. Put your information. Do not put your credit card details. It will ask you, you can say that you have a token. जैसे हम कूपन अप्लाई करते हैं पेटीएम गूगल पे पे, you have a token for it and apply your feature code over here. And after applying your feature code over here, you will be having your IBM cloud access. You'll be having your IBM cloud access. And I'll be sharing the YouTube link for steps of this also. Means it is having entire steps. Now I'm logging into my account. Hope it allows, because this account also create issues because of cookies and all. I'm logging into my account to show you how does my account looks like. Means once you will log in, you will be getting the same window. Has anyone able to create an IBM account cloud? If repeat, oh sorry, if repeat मैंने यहाँ पढ़ लिया. If able, then please put a 7 on the chat. Now repetition, sir, we can put on IBM Cloud. We can give an IBM Cloud website. It's coming something went wrong. So if it is coming something went wrong, just clear your cache. Just delete your cookies. That's all. Sir, from IBM Cloud page, you have just to sign up. आपको sign up करना है. After clicking on generation of code, move to a different website. On this website, just click on sign up. Move to this website. Just click on sign up और sign up पे feature code के साथ sign up करोगे. Sign up करने के बाद you will land up into this page. Now from here your journey begins. Of all of you must be knowing what is a cloud. It is providing us resources. Now similarly, this is an IBM cloud. It is providing us large number of resources, certain resources for free. Majority of the resources are free. You can use it, delete your project, and again use it for 365 days. It shows you my account. Now in my account, we have got two accounts because this is my personal account. This is another account for some GKV email ID I have again created for some refer, and this was a account which we got from that IBM Challenge Faculty Award. This was the account which was created by them, but all merged under the same umbrella. All accounts have got different facilities. Means the paid account which I am having, it is giving me certain more facilities. But over here, I am showing you that account which is available to you also by a simple feature code. This is the simple feature code. Ab is 4 minutes with me. The next speaker has already joined with us. I will not waste my time. I'll just move, show you this. This is a catalog which different services. इन्हीं सर्विसेज से आप IBM Watson यूज करोगे और उसके मैं वीडियोस भी शेयर करूंगा. I'll be sharing the video to you. Mani and Shikha will be telling with you after for more about IBM Watson. But from where to begin was from here you have to begin. The first step for IBM Watson is to have an account on IBM Watson. So this is from where you can begin with IBM Watson, and I'll be sharing the entire video of Watson. So that's all from my side. Any queries? After 365 days, how we can use, we'll be connect with each other, and I'll be telling that how we can connect after 365 days. Now I would request Suesha to kindly stop the recording, and I'll be taking the queries if they're for 2 minutes only. We are open for queries in the chat window, and you'll be getting the video link on the WhatsApp.